This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon in a Ninja air fryer. First, gather your essential tools: your favorite bacon, the Ninja air fryer, and a pair of tongs. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. A helpful tip to minimize smoke is to place a single slice of bread or about 1 cup of water in the bottom of the air fryer basket, beneath the rack, to absorb excess grease. This simple step makes cleanup much easier. Now it's time to load your bacon. Carefully place the bacon strips in a single layer within the air fryer basket. It is crucial to avoid overlapping the slices, as this ensures even airflow and consistent crisping. For regular cut bacon, begin by air frying for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it, as cooking times can vary slightly based on your specific air fryer model and bacon thickness. Halfway through the cooking process, use your tongs to carefully flip each bacon slice. This helps both sides achieve that perfect golden crispness. Continue air frying for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, or until your bacon reaches your preferred level of crispiness. If you are cooking thick-cut bacon, you might need to add an extra 2 to 3 minutes to the total cooking time for optimal results. Once your bacon is perfectly cooked, use tongs to transfer the crispy strips to a plate lined with paper towels. This allows any excess grease to drain off, leaving you with delicious, less oily bacon. After the air fryer cools, carefully remove and discard the accumulated grease from the bottom. Finally, wash the air fryer basket and tray with warm, soapy water for a quick and easy cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.